If you need coffee or energy drink every single day to start your day, then you have an energy problem. If you need any booster whatsoever, you have an energy problem. And you need to fix it. Remember those times when you feel like you could do whatever you wanted? Sit back, take a few notes. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for the latest content. Comment down below and tell me what your sleep schedule is like, or do you even have one? This is extremely important to get energy when you're starting out your day. If you have a set sleep time, then you should be able to have energy to start the day. If you're generally a lazy person, then that's just you, because you have the energy to do something, you just refuse to do it. From Monday to Friday, I sleep at 10 and I wake up at 5. This gives me the sweet spot of 7 hours. I used to have an alarm in the beginning, but then my body adjusted to the time and I stopped using that friggin' alarm. I wake up with the energy to exercise before heading off to work. I exercise from home, so it cuts out commuting time and it makes my wallet fatter, which is always good. I typically don't drink sugar, so that means no soda, coffee, or any kind of drink with lots and lots of sugar in it. After my exercise routine, I eat breakfast and head off to work ready to kick ass. The ability to show up to work is vital. I repeat, it's vital for your career because it means you are physically and mentally prepared to tackle on challenges the moment you step foot in the building. Whether you're doing something physically or mentally intensive, you need to bring your A game every single day, because it's the difference between you becoming rich and poor. It could be the difference between you getting the promotion or you being out of a job. Whatever the case is, you need to find the will to constantly strive forward. When life kicked my ass, I get up and I fight back. There was a time when I didn't have a job and I was counting down the days when my bank account goes to zero. It was one of, if not the hardest time in my life, and I refuse to settle. I don't want to be in a job where I can't go anywhere in life because it's a steady income stream going into my account. I have seen people that go through life in a limbo because they can't find a reason to motivate themselves to do something different. I was one of them for a short amount of time. I used to work at a job where they give me a steady stream of income, but it's barely enough to get by. So I started searching and saving because at that time it was the only thing that I could do. Then I finally have enough funds to invest. It wasn't the greatest investment of all time, like most of those finance guys that struck gold. The investment was doing decent return, steady rate. It's alright. It gets me through the day. But of course, it wasn't enough. I needed more. If I wanted to live the lifestyle that I always wanted to live, I need to find a way to make it happen. This is when opportunity came knocking at my door and I took it. I found a career with uncapped income and I show up to work every single day. This is how I was able to turn my life around. I find the energy to get up at 5 a.m. Monday to Friday with a smile on my face and the will to make money. I deal with my energy problem by becoming rich. I refuse to live a poor man's life. I started off not making much, but I knew if I keep contacting the leads, I will be able to make it happen. I have seen numerous people come and go because the job was too demanding or was too stressful to see other people surpass you. I have a link below that like button for you to check out. It's a video on why you should only compare yourself to you. Now moving back on track, when I see other people surpass me, means they know something that I don't, so I'm going to learn from them. I will try to sit next to that person that's getting the numbers to see what they're doing right, and then I will duplicate it myself. I want to see results. If getting results mean learning from the person, I will be their best friend. It's a matter of your work ethics and you're willing to break out of your shell. I used to be the type of person to think a sales job is not the right job for me, but I finally realized that all I'm doing is selling, whether it's my computer consultancy, my dating tips, or my YouTube videos. The majority of my income comes from me trying to sell people something. Once I realized this, it was only a matter of time before I get really good at it. This is why I try my best to pick up as many things as I can, then I try to better myself after learning those techniques. I will not question why I'm implementing the techniques. I will only try to find ways to make more money from them. If you don't have a sales job, then you still need to show up to work because management is constantly looking for people to promote. If you're a factory worker and you need to prove that you can make the fastest product or make the highest product, then ask them if you can move up from your position. You never know if you can move up unless you ask, and you need to ask with confidence. I have seen how people talk, and when it comes to work, they turn into this pathetic version of themselves because they feel bad for asking for a promotion. You need, and I'll repeat, you need to have the confidence in your tone of voice, because it's the difference between you being stuck in a dead-end job and you moving up and doing something that actually matters. Whatever the case is, if you don't pick yourself up, then you're done. Might as well throw in the towel for life. Look, this video and these books down below that like button can be your lifeline. If you take the chance now, you need this because you click on this video. So buy them now before you start having regrets 5 years down the line. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, become part of the mighty notification squad. As always, have an awesome day.